This is the confessional.
The only person that has something in their house is that guy who just tried to offer you cocaine. Somehow you always get paid. Nobody ever offers me cocaine because I think I don't look the type.
Sin volver, ven quédate que quiero intentarlo, baby. El corazón va latiendo por ti más fuerte, ven quédate que quiero intentarlo, baby.
Welcome to the old city of Cartagena. This is also known as the Walled City, and it is full of colonial charm. They've really done a lot to keep the colonial vibes alive. It really feels like stepping back in time, like somewhere in the south. I can't quite place it right now, but it is really beautiful, full of plazas, full of different balconies that are really intricate and made from wood, and there's a lot of fun energy here, a lot of really nice shopping as well.
All right, this city, Cartagena Old City, is known for its knockers. And I'm not trying to be adultly weird. This is a beautiful door knocker, and it's unique. We're gonna show you some other door knockers as well. Incredible. Door knockers. I like this one.
Cat doesn't look impressed. Wisdom knocks. What is it? Candy cane. Cactus.
It's pretty twisted.
It's pretty twisted. Oh, you're right. It looks like you have to go around the front to see that.
I don't know. I say this is nuts, and then are you filming or?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, the city is nuts.
Jeremy is having a moment.
Can we talk about this? All right. It's hard to not connect this to penance. Behind the Pulp here, 6-inch spikes, and this door opens to catacombs. Weird.
Could be the sewage pipe.
Sewage pipe of death. Crazy.
beautiful.
The nautical shop, that's fun. That's awesome. So fun. We're here in Cartagena.
Just been reading up on the history here. Mostly a lot of wars. A lot of wars. That's why it's a walled city.
Walled city. 13 walls. I look really hot. It's smoking. Smoking so hot out here. So hot.
Guys, this is so weird. We came down here 2 days ago, and in the evening, it was packed. It was full of people trying to sell things, full of people getting in your way. It was just a hot mess, literally, and it was very hot. And now we're here in the morning on a Sunday. It's like a different place. Look. There's like no one here. So if you want to take your Instagram pics here, which I recommend. I don't think we've actually taken any, but we should. You all should, because it's beautiful. Come on Sunday morning. Save yourself a lot of hassle.
Right inside the walled city is a jail, and it converted that jail into shops, which is very interesting. Had to check it out. So supposedly each shop is a cell that someone used to be in, and this area used to flood, and so a lot of the prisoners had to stand in knee-deep seawater, often, frequently, which is nuts. So let's check it out. Okay, we are at Buena Vida in Old Town, Cartagena, and we got traditional drink. This is a coconut lemonade. Coconut limonado. Limonado con cocoa. With cocoa shavings. Let's try it. Alright, so far it's a consistency of a Dairy Queen slushie. More lime. Light. It's a watered lime with a coconut cream. Very light. The coconut is only really applied on the back end. It's not really a front end kind of coconut feel. I like it. It reminds me of like shaved ice drink. Not super sweet. It's more on the bitter side. It's different. It's cool though, and that's what we need because it's freaking hot today. Sweating.
For me, it reminds me of a vegan lemon or lime cheesecake.
Yeah. I got the Cartagena shrimp bowl, and it is loaded with some yummy stuff. We got burnt coconut rice, some wonderful grilled shrimp, plantains. Digging in. Made with love. Love it. Yeah. I'm hungry, but it's still fantastic. And who doesn't love coconut rice? I was telling you about this, guys. Love it.